With Paperless Parts' new BOM Builder, quoting assemblies from a print has never been faster or easier. Let's take a look. For this demonstration, we are going to set up the BOM for this fabricated assembly. It's important to note that the BOM extraction and BOM Builder features work exactly the same, whether you're working with a machined or fabricated assembly. You can see that Paperless Parts AI assistance tool, Wingman, has automatically identified BOM tables contained within the print. To get started quoting this part, load the files into Paperless Parts and select Split PDF. Paperless Parts will automatically break up the PDF into individual pages. Everywhere there is a purple icon, it means that Wingman has detected a BOM table. To get started, assign the parent file to your quote. Open the BOM Builder, and you'll see that Wingman automatically recognizes the BOM table, has identified the BOM structure, and extracted critical information about the assembly, such as part numbers and description. Next, click Add Files. Wingman will leverage the part number extracted from the title block of the individual drawings to create file associations and automatically add the PDF as a supporting file. Once the supporting files have been added, Wingman will search those files for additional subassembly BOM tables. Accept suggestions and individual line items will be updated to subassemblies, with the child components updated automatically as individual line items. Paperless Parts will also search to match purchase parts to records in your components library. When you are satisfied that the BOM is set up correctly, hit Check and Publish. With setup now complete, you're ready to begin costing out individual parts. To see this same demonstration for a machined assembly, please visit the Paperless Parts YouTube channel. Better yet, if you would like a demonstration using your own part files, please visit paperlessparts.com/demo to request a custom part demo.